God.
Welcome back to the Angry Mama channel. I haven't uploaded in ages because you were sick. But now you're better and we're on a nature walk. Popcorn. Lemonade. So, that lake, not really, Big Timber Creek, flows all the way out to Delaware. Hey, and you know what, know something cool? Right past all those trees, right there is our house. Right there. That's where everything is filmed, everybody. So right now we're gonna get lost and have fun. I'm zoomed in like 10 times and you did that.
I'm jumping.
Yeah, please do.
Oh my God, look how they cleaned the fucking back of your yard out. No shit. They could have had the pool ain't open though. I wonder if they even use that motherfucker. Look how small it is. Even us that used to be looking for real.
Yeah.
Flowerville. Wow. I wish I had my glasses on so I could see clear.
I hope there's a body. I want her a big body. That metal piece right there looks like a roof to a car. Watch it be actually a car sunken halfway in the marsh. No. I don't.
Why?
I still think it does.
It's a shame their backyard is small, ain't it? They don't even have a backyard.
Nature vlog. You almost fell on your ass and you're drinking lemonade. You'd think you'd be drinking something else. Alright guys, peace out.
This is how we used to go down the hill. We used to go down that real steep hill.
Yeah?